If you haven't already, hit that like button and subscribe and turn on post notifications so you don't miss any of our future videos.
Aloha, our keto friends. We are so excited because we are making my very popular Alfredo sauce on protein noodles. Ooh, right, Kai? If you have tried my protein noodle lasagna, which everybody loves, I was like, hey, why don't we use our organic Applegate deli meat and make these are fettuccine noodles. Oh. So I cut these really thin into fettuccine noodles, and now I'm going to show you how to make my Alfredo sauce. And so we have chicken Alfredo.
Yeah.
Good idea? Mm-hmm. So I need you to shred this Parmesan cheese. And remember, save the rind to make our easy Cheetos, right? Check out that video, super fun. And what we're going to do here is turn this on. Here we go, and it's on. And I'm going to use 1 cup of butter or 2 sticks. And I'm going to heat that up, all right? And you all know I love brown butter, so you could brown the butter. And you can see the video how easy that is. Do you need me to do that? No, you got it? So we need 1 cup of butter, and that is going to heat on up. Let's see, is that warm? What? Let's see. It says it's on, but it's not hot. It's getting there. This usually heats up very, very quickly. And then you need 1 block of cream cheese, or 8 ounces. No, my friend, use this. Okay. Yeah. And we're gonna put that on in there. And you could use 4 cloves of garlic if you have them. You can mince them up. But I'm going to use my roasted garlic. You all know I love roasted garlic because it's milder. Usually kids like that much, much better. Oh boy. So this is not wanting to turn on. Maybe it doesn't like that pan. Let's see. I am puzzled. For some reason, this doesn't want to turn on my All-Clad. All right, so we are going to use my cast iron skillet because I know that works. Always got to play around with things. So now it's on. Here we go. So the butter and the cream cheese are going to go into here. This is going to be a filled pan, but I didn't want to stop the video. This is how life works, right? So this is going to melt. And this is my roasted garlic. I store this in the freezer, wrapped in my tin foil, and it's just 1 head of garlic. I won't use the whole thing in here, but I'm going to put about 4 cloves, and it squeezes on out like that. And then I'll just store the rest of this back in the freezer until I need it next time. And we made a video roasting garlic, didn't we? Yep. And then we're going to add 2/3 cup of, you could use beef or chicken broth. I'm going to use beef broth because beef broth has something called umami, which makes food taste delicious. You're doing good, Kai. Get those muscles a-going, right?
Yep.
Have you been lifting weights with your daddy?
And Micah.
And Micah, yep. So we want 2/3 cup of this. All right, so here we go. 2/3 cup. And thank you for all the nice comments people are leaving us. They love watching Kai in the kitchen. Isn't that sweet?
Yep.
They said they miss Micah. They miss his calmness and sweetness. And remember, if you share these videos, you could win a book. You could win a book. You are doing good. You're almost there. And what I'm going to do is I'm using a stick blender to puree this until it's smooth. All right. You could add a little bit of your Redmond real salt if you want to, but it's usually, I'm using salted butter, and the Parmesan cheese right here is going to make it pretty salty. So I'm going to actually take some from you, okay? You just set that aside. And then you're going to add your Parmesan cheese. Now the full recipe is on Maria Mind Body Health. You can always find the links to my recipes below, okay? So we're going to add the Parmesan cheese. And again, the amounts are in the link. And I'm going to start pureeing this. This might be a disaster because it's really small. Whoa! This is like crazy, yep. I'm going to move that to a bowl. We're going to be smart about this.
Move it to a pretty big bowl.
A pretty big bowl, not a small one, right? Yep. Here we go. This is a big one. Okay, so we're going to put this into a bowl. All right. There we go. It never goes as planned, I tell you, guys.
I'm going to mix it.
Well, I'm going to do it. I'm supposed to be on a podcast in like 2 minutes.
Oh.
Yikes. Talking about protein sparing, modified fast. So this just get pureed. Oh, look at that goodness. There we go. Almost done. Why don't you stick your finger in there? Try it. Pretty good? Delicious?
Tastes like ranch dressing.
Ranch dressing. Well, it's Alfredo. It's maybe the garlicky taste. Now, you just spoon this delicious goodness all over your protein noodles, and you have a pure protein and fat meal.
Taste it. It tastes
I know, it's delicious. It's my Alfredo sauce, my friend. Chicken Alfredo. And then you can garnish it with some oregano or basil leaves. And ta-da! All done. And you know what I would make with it?
What?
A Caesar salad with my Caesar dressing. And then I would make the parmesan chips, the little crisps. And then you could have croutons with it. Anyway, this is our chicken Alfredo. We hope you enjoy. Mahalo.
Mahalo. Sharing is caring. Share this video with your